When you're thinking of listing your house and you're not sure when it's going to happen, it could be 6 months, it could be 6 years. I really recommend that you have a real estate professional come over. So that's something I can offer you, and do a walkthrough, do a strategy session of what it would look like. Are there things you should take care of? Are there projects you should put on a honey-do list and start checking them off one by one? Is there nothing you need to do? There are things that I'm going to look at as a real estate professional that I'm going to look at it through a couple different lenses. I'm going to look at it through an inspector's lens. I'm going to look at it through a buyer's lens, and then I'm going to look at it through an appraiser's lens. And they all look at things a little different. An inspector's going to look and see if the hot water tank is strapped. So is the appraiser. Buyer's probably not going to really care. They're just going to hope that there is a hot water tank. An inspector is going to check out the level of the floors. If there's any cracks in the foundation, he or she is going to go into the attic or the crawl space. An appraiser is going to look at apples to apples comparables of houses or condos that have listed right around the area of the subject property. A buyer is going to want to walk in and go, does this meet my needs? Does it have the space that I need? Does it have the amenities I need? What does it need? Sometimes I have done walkthroughs and strategy sessions with sellers, and they told me I need to remodel my kitchen. That is a huge expense. And how do you know what the next person is going to want? So a couple different times I've actually stopped and said, hey, here's a suggestion. It's just a recommendation, totally your call what you want to do. But if we want to keep as much money in your pocket and save you time, how about take a little Old English, freshen it up a little bit. Let's absolutely declutter, or pre-pack as I like to call it. And then if it's really a dated kitchen, what we can do is once it's decluttered and at our professional photos, I can send that professional photo to a designer who can then create what's called a reality design, and they can give the future buyer a couple different options of ultra modern, country chic, who knows what they're going for, but we could create now a visual of, hey, this may be a little bit of an outdated kitchen, still livable, still functions. However, if you want to change it, here's a suggestion. Now, as a seller, I've saved you time and money. And as a buyer, I've overcome a hurdle of, oh my gosh, I don't want a project of an outdated kitchen. So again, starting early to know what things you should focus on and what things you should just let the future homeowner take care of. There's a lot of projects that people want to take on thinking that they've got to do it all before they list. And actually, I have heard more times than not that I took their list and cut it in half because the things they were going to focus on, they really didn't need to do. So start early with the strategy session. Again, it could be 6 months, it could be 6 years, but if you start now, we can get a game plan set so that it is chunking it off one little bit at a time. And then when you're ready to jump, we jump. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Jennifer Thompson, real estate agent, certified real estate planner, and bingo collar for the seniors. Bingo collar to the stars, I should say. All right, take care.